Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for August 10th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. While it was an ugly day on Wall Street, selling started early in the day and did not let up. And in fact, later in the afternoon, Trump spoke again and made some comments, actually doubled down on his comments on North Korea, saying that maybe his comments from the other day were not tough enough. That really accelerated the selling. It looks like fear is starting to set in. The Dow today down 204 points, almost back to that 20-period moving average, while the S&P 500 down 35. Look at that move firmly below the 20, and now that 20 is flattening out, while the NASDAQ is down 135 points. Real strong selling there. And as far as the Russell goes, well, have a look here. Down 24 points and, has completely rolled over. Bonds today doing quite well, up $1.07, while gold today had another very strong day. It gapped up again, up another 12 points or so, and looks real strong. Crude bouncing around all over the place, but finishing near the low of the day, down 2% today. So a lot of selling across the board. And have a look at the VIX today. What a spike. I mean, how often do we see that up almost 5 points in a day? So it's obvious now that certainly fear is starting to set in. Now, this is all based on the geopolitical situation. And so this can go either way. I mean, certainly if tensions continue to escalate, we're going to continue to see more selling and expect higher prices in gold. But if the politicians are able to calm things down, maybe we'll get a bounce at some point. But certainly, if the equity indices here begin to take out lows like the Nasdaq did today, this is just going to get worse and worse. So this is time to pause and make sure that your portfolio is protected. Okay. Now, after market close, the bad news continued, not just for the market overall, but specifically for Snap. They released earnings down 16 cents a share. It was a loss of 16 cents a share. The stock is down 12% after hours. So this one here, looking at this monthly chart, from when this new issue was released, it's continuously been sold off, and that is going to continue, down 12% after hours. So expect a gap tomorrow morning, which could, be exaggerated even more if the equity futures are down early in the morning as well. So pay attention to those futures into the open tomorrow. It'll give us an indication whether we are in for another strong day of selling or not. So take a deep breath, and we'll regroup after tomorrow's close. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.